Hey guys, we got this everlasting comfort knee pillow for the side sleeper. So let's test and try this. So you can use it with the thighs, with your knees, and with your ankle side. So it's really nice, like to see if it comforts that well. So this have this latch, and also have this extra earplugs. Looks like yeah. So yeah, just take this out, and these are the earplugs that you can use. And this is like a wedge pillow for your legs, and there's a memory foam here that I can feel. So this is a washable cloth with a zipper, so we can just zip this and you can see like the memory foam inside, so you can just take it out, wash it, and reuse this. So this is a nice thing, and there's a strap also for here for the just put it in your leg inside this. So it's pretty much soft and great curve to get your legs inside. So I just put on the strap and put it on my knee side, and I can see like this comes in between the knee from both sides. This is holding it well, and I feel a little less discomfort or knee to knee connection. So the pillow is giving some rest here, and I also put it directly like between the thighs and stuff, and feels fine. So basically it's a memory foam pillow that holds in between your knees, and you can rest your knees like this if you want some elevation. So that's also a nice thing here, and also like between your ankles and the stuff. So it's nice holding, and you can secure with this strap. You can take this out if you want to, or you can just store. So it's a nice thing here that you can do. So basically a soft memory foam for your knees that holds well, and with a high quality memory foam with a curved design, removable strap, and the case.